Hello everyone and welcome back to the Decentralized Bull channel. Today we're going to talk about the current market situation, what I think is going to happen to the market in the next couple weeks, months and days. Besides that, we just moved to a new place here. Check it out, very beautiful art. Bam, nice TV, nice mirror where I can check out my outfits. But the most important part here is the view. Check out this amazing view. Let's take a thumbnail also. Wait, no. Let's take a nice thumbnail here. Boom. This is beautiful. Besides that, there's some yachts down there. You can check them out. Going there. Blah 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 blah. Let's not let the music interfere so it uh, makes my video bad. Besides that, what we have in the market right now, let's go into the charts. So here you can see Bitcoin sitting around 16,600, whatever. It went a little bit up today, but still there is not so much hope in the market right now. So I hope you took a profit when Bitcoin was at 69k. If not, I hope you followed my channel and been very careful with your trades. Only invest into good projects, long-term projects, so you can still get your ROI. Besides that, let's go over to Ethereum. I think Ethereum fell over under 1,200. It's just $3 under 1,200, and I think it's probably going to go more down, unfortunately. Yeah, so Ethereum has a long way to go. It's probably going to go to 1,083. Here on the 15-minute charts, let's check out on the 4-hour chart where we can go. So here we can see it can go to 1,630, and if we are like even more bearish, we can go to this area here. You see we broke down from this triangle, which is not so nice. It tried to break out, but went down again. It was a fake out and then it dropped down again. Besides that, it can easily go to 1,077 and even lower, even $800. So please be very careful what you do in the market. Currently, I'm shorting a lot of altcoins and I've been making a lot of profits, like literally a lot of profits in the market right now. Let's check out some other altcoins. So for me, doesn't look so great at all. S&P also going down. It had some small bounce up today, actually from 383 to 3,830 to 3,850, but it's very small. Like if you look here, it's very small bounce. It's not even above this point here, so it's probably gonna correct again down. That's why be very careful. The crypto markets are very correlated with the normal financial markets and stock markets. So please be careful right now. Everything is going down. Tesla is down a lot. It's like also up 5% today, but it's small pumps. Just some hopium, guys. It's probably gonna go down more, even more. Like if you know Michael Burry, the guy from The Big Short, he predicted it. You know, we're like in a big financial crisis. Everything was in a bubble. It's still in a bubble, and it's about to burst, and it's gonna bleed out the whole market. But luckily, you follow this channel, you're subscribed, you're watching my videos, so you know what to do in the markets. So let me show you what I've been doing last couple of days. So here you can see some of my nice, beautiful trades. So here we have 125% on Dent, I think. Matic just opened a trade. Chili's, we also have 196% profits, $870. So usually I trade with around I usually don't use more than $1,000, only if I'm 150% certain that it's going to be a winning trade. So that's what I also recommend. And trading with like 0.1% of my uh, capital, even less than that. So please be very careful in the market. Besides that, we have amazing trade on Bybit here, 85% on Band. We literally shorted when it was 221 and now it's at 135. Amazing gains, everyone, if you took the short that I mentioned a couple videos back. So just watch. I'm pretty sure I mentioned my chili short also, which does very well. I already took like $600 profit of it. It was like a $800 trade, but I took some profit just to be safe, so I don't lose any money. You can see also if I don't have my stop loss here, but my stop loss is also already in the profit, so I cannot lose any money on this trade. Besides that, what can I tell you? Some other trades, the band trade from before. I still have it open here. It's now 385%. Besides that, let's go back into the markets. Here we have MCRT, a little bit of a pump. BNB holding, trying to hold. Matic, I think it's probably going to go to 73 cents, maybe even 30 cents. Right now, let's see what's going to happen. But please be very careful in buying altcoins right now. I only buy, this is not financial advice, it's just what I'm doing. I only buy very small amounts of Bitcoin, very small amounts of Ethereum, and very small amounts of Monero. And Monero, I don't know, let's see if I have it here somewhere. It's holding up pretty strong. Where is Monero? Here, you can see Monero, it's quite holding really strong. It's actually 7% up in the last month, so not so bad. It's only 23% down compared to other cryptocurrencies that are 90% down in the from year to date. So Monero was a great investment and still is, and it's one of the coins that's still in the profit from the last bull market. That's not in the profit from the highest all-time high, but I mean from the last bull market drop. It went, I think, around $50, and now it's sitting at around 146. Still, if you bought last year in the worst time, you're still 3x up from there. Same with Bitcoin and also Ethereum. I think Ethereum was like $350 back then, and now it's still sitting at a 4x profit from there. So besides that, what else do I have to show you? I think that's it for now. Let's go back to the camera. This is the beautiful view again. This is me and my beautiful avocado head. Let me know what you think about avocado head and also about my very fresh, colorful shirt. Here, let me go and show it to you. Looks very nice. This is the apartment from near Blue Waters. Very nice outfit, very nice trades, and I hope you're doing well in the market. You all stay safe and you had amazing holidays with your family and friends and enjoy life. Life is beautiful. Don't forget that even if the markets are going down, there is always opportunity to make money, and don't forget this. Always and always take profits. Bye bye.